Hello and welcome dear viewers and quiz lovers. Duration Kendra Imphal na leptana sandokchariba program series DD Quiz Time gi kunthraga ni thoisube episode ta mayambu taramok chari. Ahal naha khaktana mipum khudimuna saruk yabiba yaraba ekhoi gi program ni ekhoi da WhatsApp video call to bidaktuna program asibu saruk yabiyu. Hojik ngasigi episode asigi call okwa hojrige gi mangoina na ekhoi gi program asigi thamjariba rules and regulations sing mayam gi mafamda khanghanjani. Rule number 1. Caller amada punna question manga hangjagani. Question sing asi general knowledge, current affairs, amasung matam gi oina thamjaba topic ta base tawbo oigani. Rule number 2. Question nama khumbogi matam asi second tarani, hariba matam asigi manungda khumba ngambidragadi mathangi question da amuk lakchagani. Rule number 3. Question manga mak chumna khumba ngamba mioi adu winner amu oigani. Winner oiraba mioi singda DDK Imphal na sinja langjaba pricing pizagani. Amasung aroiba rule number 4. Winner oiba ngambi haudrabasu ninghan nabikanu episode khudingmakta saruk yabinabo honabiyu DD Quiz Time gi ahanba season asida question khwaidagi yamna chumna khumba ngamba miyoida overall winner gi prize pizagani masini akhoi gi DD Quiz Time gi samlapa rules sing akhoi gi thamjariba rules and regulations sing mayam gi mafamda khangan jakrabani na hojai ngasi gi episode asida kanana ihan hana call tawrutuna saruk yabibagi habadu yangminarasi. Hello and welcome to DD Quiz Time. Phone to directly ba songi mingle from go habiyu.
Loitam Deepak Moirang Thrawai
Moirang dagi Loitam Deepak. Deepak se akhoi gi program asida mamang da su call to birak khraba mali to birak re ko. Amurok ta ukre. Mamang gi attempt ta wahang manga gi manung da kaya chumba ngam bi khibage.
Manga gi manung da ani chum.
Okay, ngasi di manga gi manung da manga muk chungani habigi thajaba lai bibra. Okay, so dina ngam bazu obiyu ko. Akhoi gi viewers sing da Deepak si kari honari kari school da class kya kari habdu pandiyo.
Girijan Public School da class 8 kari.
Class 8 ki chhatra ni Deepak ki class 8 ka selakle hojek aim in life se kari oige na khanbiri.
Graduation loiraga central exam da UPSC IS try ta bethal.
Okay, yamna phajaba ambition ni mai pakpo so soidna oibiyu ko. Akhoi gi DD Quiz Time gi rules and regulation di khangbirabra Deepak
Pangjar
adudi wahang lakpa horage ready da lebiro ko. And here comes the first question for you today, Deepak, and the question goes like this: with which game does Davis Cup is associated with? Haibani Davis Cup hariba tournament ase karamba game ga mari leina bage haibani your time starts now.
Cricket.
Davis Cup se songi answer se kari no?
Cricket.
Cricket. Very sorry to inform you that your answer cricket is wrong. Lali, the correct answer should be lawn tennis. Khangbire ko Deepak. Anisaba wang si how many permanent members are there currently in the Security Council of the United Nations? Haibati United Nations ki Security Council hariba sigumba body sida permanent member masing kaya lai haibani. How many permanent members are there in Security Council? Your time starts now.
30.
30. Akoina confirm na logjaba yarabra.
Oi.
Again, very sorry, your answer is wrong. The correct answer should be 5. UN Security Council the permanent members mangalay ko. Ahum sa wahang si who was the creator of James Bond? Ekogi amna afawba character mo oiriba movie da ko. Adugba brand franchise mo oiriba James Bond gi creator habatai ai basi kanano haibani. Your time starts now.
Sorry.
Okay, so na pass to bire question asi maduna I have na achumba pakumudo hajarak lage the creator of James Bond is Ian Fleming. So the correct answer should be Ian Fleming. Khangjin biro ko. Mari subawang si name the largest freshwater lake in India. India the freshwater lake aphai chawba freshwater lake si park si India gi karam bano haibani. Your time starts now.
Wooler Lake.
Wooler Lake. Very good, very correct. Your answer, Wooler Lake is the correct answer to me. Largest lake si Wooler Lake niko. Aroi ba mga subo wahang lakcheke. Aroi ba mga subo wahang si the abbreviation based round ni so me na kangbiri duni. Adong gi abbreviation si what is the full form of ECG? Ako ni medical line niya na haina ba ECG gi full form si karino habini. Your time starts now.
Electrocardiogram.
amukta ka mek seng na habiyu.
Electrocardiogram.
Okay, very good. Deepak chumi akon bagi abbreviation based on the wang ECG ki full form som na pipi rakli ba answer chumi. ECG stands for electrocardiogram. Ngasi ki performance si manga da ani chumi ba mali wakal la kari fawi Deepak. Okay, very good. Yamna phasabi spirit ni, yamna phasabi attitude ni. Whatever adom ki performance si adom na proud oina feel tau jai habani yamna fai. Matung da silep na call to birau aduga ngasi akhoi ki DD quiz time da phone to birak tuna saruk ya biba thagat chari. Aham mukte da DD quiz time da phone to birak pa som ki ming ga lekham ga habi yu.
Ai ki ming sabal sam Rusheli Kumar Singh ai nari un kai ding.
Larik yang mam lekai dagi ming do mayak seng na mukta ga habi yu.
Sabal sam Rusheli Kumar Singh.
Okay, Sagol Sam Rusheli Kumar. Chumeka Rusheli Kumar.
Yes.
Okay, Rusheli Kumar si hojik kari standard ka bi re kari hona bi re habi yu.
Ai MIT engineering tam ni cha.
MIT de engineering tami haibani engineering kari semester yo bi re aduga karamba trade ki engineering na tambiri se.
Ai third sem observe electrical engineering cha.
Amda ga habi yu trade to.
Electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering the third sem ka bi re haibani.
Yes sir.
Akoi ki engineering degree se loraga dun job engineer mo ege na khanbi re brana traga akoi ki academics ta changaga faculty rom do ne lege na khanbi bra seli.
Ai je civil exam ki try komning sir.
Okay, I'm na phaba plan ni mai pa so bi yu. Akoi ki DD quiz ta da phone do break pasing asina ahan no male ko ni thengna jabda ro seli je ka.
Ai sir.
Akoi ki sugum ba DD ke infal ki DD quiz time ko ba program ma lai habsi ko mane khangbi rei.
Arang kana Facebook ta hangzara pa sir.
Okay, thank you. I'm nungai jai Facebook de thengna bi da ka participate to ga hab ki wakal onda phone to bi ra pani. Akoi ki niti niyam sing rule sing khangbi rei ko ro seli.
Sir.
Okay, adu ready dele biro wang la pa hokjarage. And here comes the first question for you today, Ruseli, and the question goes like this. Puskar Festival or Puskar Mela is a popular festival in which Indian state? Puskar Mela natraga khoina Puskar Festival hairaga khangnari ba yana maming set festival asi India ge karamba state ta panthokpa festival no habani Puskar Festival. Your time starts now. Kerala. Confirm ne lokja yar song answer se. Okay, so we attempt Kerala habani, but very sorry to inform you that your answer Kerala is wrong. The correct answer should be Rajasthan. Rajasthan we get niko. Puskar Mela is celebrated in Rajasthan. Okay, Anishi bawang lakchake. Anishi bawang si munatabi yu kitang sangi. Which actor played the role of Mahatma Gandhi in the film Gandhi? Oscar winning movie mo Gandhi hari ba film sida Mahatma Gandhi ki role lo ki actor tu kanano haibani. Your time starts now.
Ben Kingsley.
Ben Kingsley. Very good. Very well done, Ruseli. Adongi answer. Ben Kingsley is the correct answer. Chomi. Ben Kingsley played the role of Gandhi. Ko. Ahum sabo wahang lake. Ahum sabo wahang si. Yamno chamba wahang ni. Which city is known as the Big Apple? Akoy na Prithibi ki karam ba city bo akoy na Big Apple hare gasu khangna gya hai bani. Your time starts now. Khangbidraba. Okay, time sab akoy na pizaba matam zu loi kre. Akoy na hangjaki ba wahang si karam ba city bo Big Apple hare gasu khangna gya hai bani. The correct answer should be New York. USA ki New York hai ba city si akoy na Big Apple hare gasu khangnai ko. Mari sabo wahang laksake. Mari sabo wahang si who is the winner of French Open 2020 men's title? French Open 2020 की men's title की winner si kana oke bage hai bani nara na hande thoki ba thogok ni. Time starts now. Rafael Nadal. Very well done again, Ruseli. Chumi, your answer Rafael Nadal is the correct answer. Ko. Manga suba roi bawang laksage roi bawang se ina haizaki baduni. It is based on abbreviation, and your abbreviation is. Akhone am toine season ba poni engineering chapter ni Ruseli ju soidina season na biram gani ko. USB hai nai. USB ki full form si kari no. Time starts now.
Universal.
Hai bi ho. Okay, times up very sorry. I can pizza 10 seconds low ko. I hang up USB ke platform I have ni. Adom universal how how biram le chummi. And USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. So the correct answer should be Universal Serial Bus. Anyway, ngasi ahan ba call to birak ni performance samna phajaki. Isa gadi kadi fawbi ngasi ki performance ki matang do ruseli.
Pakat pang di forward ahan banina.
Ahan banina. Okay, matung da kita calm down to biraga sway dina phone to biragu matung da su. Thank you for calling DD Quiz Time. Ahan makte da phone to birak pasongi mingalai phone ga haibi.
Maibam Yuhen ba Luitang Kuno dagi.
Luitang Kuno dagi Maibam Yuhen ba se akhoi gi mamang da call to birak re ngasi ka kaya rak su dona attempt se.
Ma Taruk chure.
Taruk lok sure winner oi ba matang yaw bi khrabra. Yaw bi khrabdi mali koina khanja ba. Yaw khre ko. Okay, am nuai je akhoi gi former winner amana phone to birak pani Yuhen ba si hauji kari kari hona bi have the viewers sing da mukaning sing si.
Class 7 tami.
Class 7 kari school la kabiri tambiri no.
Brighter Star Public School la.
Brighter Star Public School la class 7 ki chhatra ni Yuhen ba ki aim in life se kari oi ge na khanbiri.
Civil service.
Civil service. Okay. My pa ko su oi view. Anyway, akhoi gi quiz contest ase ki rules khangbire ko Yuhen ba. Adu di ready dele biro wahang lakwa hokjara ge ko. Tabira bro Yuhen ba. Okay, ready dele biro wahang la ge ko. And here comes the first question for you, Yuhen ba. The question goes like this: what is the national game of Japan? Japan country ki Japan ki national game si kari masana no oi haibani. Time starts now.
Japan. Judo.
Judo. Confirm में लोग से भैया प्रश्न के आंसर से. Okay. Very sorry to inform you that your answer judo is wrong. The correct answer should be sumo wrestling. Ko khangbi ro ko Yuhen ba. Achuma pa khumsi sumo wrestling oi gada ni. Ani se bo hang la ke monatabi you. Ani se bo hang si which among our neighboring countries share the longest border with India? Habidi India gi thangnari ba country sing lairi country me yamama ko ekhoi ga yumthangnari ba country sing sida khwaidagi borders hangna longest border share to ba country si karam ba country no habini. Your time starts now.
Burma.
Burma. Okay. Myanmar. Okay, your attempt is Myanmar, but very sorry to inform you that your answer is wrong. Myanmar natte achumba pa khumsi Bangladesh oi gadabani. India na longest border si Bangladesh country si ga share to ko. Hum subo hang lakchage hum subo hang si who discovered the penicillin. Penicillin hari bahida si kanana discovered or umge kanana puthuom ge haibani. Your time starts now. Penicillin. Okay, time's up. Very sorry. Okay. Akhone pizza bam matam second tara da pakum pibang ambidre somna pass to bide. The correct answer should be Alexander Fleming. I repeat again, the correct answer should be Alexander Fleming. Khangsin bi horo ko. Marisubo wahang si who is awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature for the year 2020. Narang nahan de laukhoki bani 2020 gi oina literature ki Nobel Prize si kanana phangkhrabage haibani. Your time starts now. Okay, very sorry again. Time's up. Akhone pisa ba matam loire. Somne attempt to bong ambidre 2020 ki oina narang na ikui jana laukhoki bada Nobel Prize for Literature si Louis Gluck. Hari ba miwe sina phangkhre ko. So the correct answer should be Louis Gluck. Songi aroi ba wahang si akhone abbreviation based over round ni adom ki abbreviation si IC ki full form se karino. Time starts now. Okay, time's up. Akhone pisa ba matam loikre. Aina hangjaki ba si abbreviation si IC ni. IC ki full form se karino haibani, and IC stands for integrated circuit. Let me repeat again. IC stands for integrated circuit. Khangin biro ko. Ngasi ki performance kari fau biu hen ba. Okay, adugi wakal le biri tu yamna phai matung da su left na phone to biro mamang the winner oiba ngambi khraba participant ni no magi luck factor hai batuni ko. Thank you for calling DD Quiz Time. Hello and welcome to DD Quiz Time. Phone to directly ba songi minga lai from ga habi. Thobal athopa mayai lekai dagi athoibe hizam athoibe simamang so koi call to bira khraba yamna regular oiba participant ni ngasi ga kaya rak subire koi gi DD Quiz Time phone phang basi mari okay athoibe si kari honari kari school class kya kari hai bedo amtang ningsing biu viewer mi amda
Class 1
Catholic School Kanchipura class 1 ka biri hai benin athoibe gi ML life se kari oigena khanbiri ge
Dr. Ogin Kali.
Okay, yam phai Dr. Ogena khanbiri hai beni mai pat po obiu anyway akhoi gi rules akhoi gi quiz gi rules khangbire ko athoiba Adri wahang la ko hok jara ge ready de biro. And here comes the first question for you, Athoiba, and the question is: the famous Kaziranga National Park is situated in which Indian state? Habiti Kaziranga National Park, hariba maming salaba National Park si India ki karam base state lay habini. Your time starts now. Assam. Very well done, Athoiba. Chumi ahan wahang chumna pakum bibidai. Your answer, Assam, is the correct answer. Anisuba wahang lakchege. Anisuba wahang si. Who is known as the lady with the lamp? Kanabo ikoina lady with the lamp hairaga khangna bage haibani. Time starts now.
Florence Nightingale.
Okay, very well done again. Your answer, Florence Nightingale, is the correct answer. Chumi. Ahum suba wahang laksage. Ahum suba wahang si. Charminar hariba yamna maming chatlaba monument asi India ki karamba city de lay haibani. The famous Charminar is situated in which Indian state? Time starts now. Charminar. Khangdre habire ko pass to bire surrender to bire anyway somna habire trabadina ina sengban sardu haijarak lage Charminar si India ki city Hyderabad hari basida lay ko. So the correct answer should be Hyderabad. And here comes your fourth question. Marisiba wahang laksage. Marisiba wahang si ekhoi state Manipur gi state 3 si karamba uno haibani. What is the state 3 of Manipur? Time starts now. Uningthau. Again, very well done. Athoiba chumi Marisiba wahang chu chumna pakum bibirei ekhoi state Manipur gi state 3 si Uningthau ni. Very well done. Manga suba roiba wahang laksage abbreviation ni manga suba si abbreviation based round ni aikoina short form ma hamlakani madugi full form habira kadabani ko. And your abbreviation is AIDS. AIDS AIDS arubalaina amu odiba AIDS haibasigi full form si karino haibani. Your time starts now.
Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome.
Okay, very well done again. Athoiba yamna confident laina yamna thuna pakum bibidei. Yes, AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Yamna phajaba performance pibi king asi manga gi manungda mari chumba mali yamna phajaba performance ni winner oigada question ama khakta wat pani wakal kari phabi Athoiba nungai ko hena phajaba performance matung da pibi you left na call to birau. Thank you for calling DD Quiz Time. Ahan mukte de DD Quiz Time da phone to birau ko songi minga le famga habi you
Laishram Manda Sagolban Tera Lokhamera.
Sagolban Tera dagi Laishram Manda haibani. Manda si kari school class kya kabiri?
Class 4 Pitambarada.
Class 4 Pitambarada. Akhoi gi DD ke Imphal gi sigumba DD Quiz Time ko program ma lay habse ko maina khangbi rake. YouTube dagi. Manda si ngasi na han to birapa mali DD Quiz Time da ngasi na han bo birabra. Okay, class 4 kari bi satri ni mandara hanjaning basi MN life som si hang mai chauraga kari oigena khanbiri ke
Doctor.
Okay, yamna phajaba M ni yamna noble loba profession ni ko mai pa ko so obiu anyway akhoi gi quiz gi rules clear obi re ko aduri wahang la ko hok jara ge ready dalai biro. And here comes your first question, Manda, and the question is the members of the Lok Sabha hold office for a term of how many years? Habiti Lok Sabha ki MP amana ni sahi kya ki term pai ge habani sahi du pan bigadabani. Your time starts now. Lok Sabha MP ki term se sahi kya no haiba? Manga. Soidra bro. Okay, very well then manda ahan ba wahang magtadat pakum chumna pakum bibi rei chumi Lok Sabha MP amana pagi da term se sahi manga ni ko. Ani se ba wahang la ke ani se ba wahang si akoi iramda Manipur ga mari leina ba wahang ni akoi iramda Manipur gi state birth se karino. What is the state birth of Manipur? Uchek state birth. Time starts now. Habiro. State birth of Manipur. Okay, Nongin. Again, very well then, Manda Chumi, Adom answer. Nongin is the correct answer. Manipur ki state birth si Nongin ni. Very well done. Okay, ani se bawahang chumna pakum bibi graba matung da ahum se bawahang lakchage. Hokje fogi performance samna phajana bibi rei manda. Ahum se bawahang muna tabiyu. The famous hill station Manali belongs to which Indian state? Habdi mayam namna chatna ba maming chatla ba hill station Manali hari ba mafam asi India ki karam ba state lai ba ge habini. Your time starts now. Shillong. Okay. Songi attempt Shillong habini, which is not the correct answer. The correct answer should be Himachal Pradesh. And hangzaki ba si state to habiyu habini Manali hari ba mafam si karam ba India ki state lai ba ge habini, and the correct answer should be Himachal Pradesh. Marishu bawahang si, what is the biggest bird in the world? Pithribi te lai ba uchek mayam si ki manung da khwai ki chawbu uchek largest bird si karino habini. Time starts now.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Soidra bro. Okay, very well then Manda. Marishu bawahang ki pakum chumna pakum bibi rei. Yes, your answer ostrich is the correct answer. Manga suba roi bawahang lakchage. Manga suba roi bawahang sidi mandana suina khangbiram lagani akoi ki abbreviation based round ni. Somda short form ma halakani. Adugi full form habi gadabani ko. Adongi abbreviation si RIMS. RIMS RIMS akoi ki state ki namai chawthok cheni ngai oi badu ko institute amani RIMS ki full form habi yu RIMS. Your time starts now. Okay, very sorry, time's up. Akoi ne pizaba matam second tara loikre. Somne attempt to bongam bihogre. RIMS ki full form si Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. Haigada bani ko manda. Matung da khangsin bihoro. Anyway, ngasi first time caller mo ina performance samna phajai manga da ahum chumi mandagi na wakala kari phaubi. Nungai ba phawai ba ko. Okay, yamna positive oi ba thinking ni, very well done. Matung da sulep ta na call to birak tu na ko program se bu saruk yabiu. Thank you. Ngasi gi uradi matang aswaida akoi gi didi quiz time gi kontrani thoi super episode ase loisana be gidan jadu yorokle. Ngasi gi episode ase da call to birak tu na saruk yabi ki papono mo put thaga phang dok chani. Kau biraganu akoi gi WhatsApp number 9366721961 da video call to rok tu na akoi gi program ase bu saruk yabiu. Till then, keep brushing up your GK and keep watching Didi Quiz Time.